In today's video, I'm going to teach you GitHub Copilot promo code updated 2026. If you've been searching for a GitHub Copilot promo code, the most important thing to know is that GitHub does not normally use traditional promotional discount codes for Copilot subscriptions. So instead of hunting around for coupons, the better approach is to use GitHub's official access options, which can help you get Copilot either for free or at a lower cost. To get started, go directly to the official GitHub Copilot page on GitHub. This is the safest place to review the current plans, features, and eligibility options. It also helps you avoid misleading third-party websites that may claim to offer coupon codes. In many cases, those sites are either outdated or simply not trustworthy, so it's best to manage everything through your own GitHub account. Once you're on the Copilot page, look at the official ways GitHub provides access. One of the best options is through GitHub Education Benefits. If you're a verified student, you may be able to get complimentary access to premium Copilot features. Typically, this is done by signing in and verifying your student status using a school-issued email address. If you qualify, this can be one of the most valuable ways to access Copilot without paying for a full subscription. Another option is the standard GitHub Copilot plan. GitHub offers a free tier that includes core features, which is a great starting point if you want to test how Copilot fits into your workflow before committing to anything paid. If you need more advanced functionality, you can also check the Copilot Pro plan, which is available as a monthly subscription. You should also keep an eye out for the free trial option. GitHub sometimes offers a 30-day free trial for new individual subscribers. If that offer is currently available on the plans page, it's a useful way to explore the premium experience without paying upfront. Before you start the trial, it's a good idea to review the plan details carefully so you understand what features are included and what happens when the trial ends. Overall, the key takeaway is simple. Don't waste time looking for unofficial promo codes for GitHub Copilot. Instead, use GitHub's official student benefits, free tier, pro plan, or trial offers. That way you'll know your access is legitimate, your account is secure, and you're getting the most accurate, up-to-date information directly from the source.